Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, June 26th. Well, the Mid-Atlantic region is experiencing its first extended stretch of summer-like weather over the next few days. It looks like Philadelphia, New York City, D.C. can approach the 90-degree mark for highs this afternoon, but especially on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday before it turns a little bit cooler early next week. Certainly not a record-breaking type of heat, just conventional summertime heat, but the first extended stretch of 3 or 4 days or so that we've had all month long, all season long. This is the map of the June temperature anomalies from weatherbell.com all the way up to June 25th, and quite a wide portion of the nation and Canada have experienced below normal temperatures here in the month of June. Notice along the west coast, however, there was some warmer than normal conditions for the month of June till now. This generally flips over the next several days. We'll take a look at that in a moment, but again, the Mid-Atlantic region will be above normal temperature-wise for the next several days, and it looks like the western U.S. will cool off. But for the month of June so far, been quite pleasant in terms of temperatures. Of course, it's been wetter than normal in the eastern two-thirds of the nation as well. Well, let's take a look at the next 5 days. This is from last night's 60 ensemble run of the GFS, the average over a 5-day period beginning now and going out to July 1st. And you see quite a flip in that June pattern that we've experienced so far. The western U.S., especially along the west coast, colder than normal over the next 5 days, but a large area of the midsection of the country and into the northeast above normal temperatures for the next 5 days. Again, here in the Mid-Atlantic region, it's really the first extended stretch of summer-like conditions that we've had all summer long, and it looks like it'll go beyond this 5-day period. Let's now take a look at the days 6 to 10. And here we go. Again, this is a temperature anomaly chart at 850 millibars from last night's ensemble run of the GFS. This may take us right to the July 4th holiday, which is a week from tomorrow, next Thursday. Basically warmer than normal conditions across the southeastern U.S. and much of the eastern U.S. Still remains colder than normal across the west coast region here, but again, quite a flip in the pattern over the next 10 days compared to what we've experienced for the first 3 weeks or so of the month of June. Well, let's kind of focus in on the precipitation possibilities over the next several days. So far, we've focused on the temperature pattern here going forward. These are the surface forecast maps from last night's 6C GFS model run. By the way, these maps from tropicaltidbits.com. Rain-free, perfectly clear conditions in the I-95 corridor this morning. Plenty of sunshine today. Quite warm, high temperatures, probably 87 to 90 degrees or so along the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. Humidity is still relatively moderate. Dew points in the lower 60s this morning, not bad at all for this time of the year. They'll begin to noticeably creep up on Thursday, and especially by Friday will be more humid. Let's now move forward here with these surface maps. Just an isolated shower or thunderstorm upstate Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey during the early evening hours. Again, that'll be isolated, perhaps even into the New York City metro region. For the rest of us in Philly, D.C., throughout the rest of the Mid-Atlantic region, generally rain-free right through tonight. Here we are now Thursday morning, and again, high pressure sitting on top. Humidity will begin to build on Thursday, and we'll have a kind of a noticeable increase in humidity by late tomorrow. Maybe an isolated shower tomorrow night, nothing much to speak of, but Friday there's an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms. Here we go, again, high temperatures near 90 degrees or so Friday afternoon. Notice this band of showers and thunderstorms depicted Friday evening just to the northwest of the Mid-Atlantic region, but it's dropping to the south and east, and there certainly can be some shower and thunderstorm activity late Friday afternoon, Friday night in the northeast U.S., even down into the Mid-Atlantic region. Some of these storms can actually turn out to be quite strong as well, so we'll have to monitor that. Then a weak frontal boundary zone kind of hangs around the area on Saturday. Still rather hot day in the Mid-Atlantic region. High temperatures still around the 90-degree mark, and the threat for some showers and thunderstorms during the day on Saturday. By the time we get to Sunday, that front slides on by. It looks like, for the most part, Sunday looks like a rain-free type of day, not as hot as Friday and Saturday will be. Perhaps the mid to upper 80s for highs in the DC, Philadelphia, New York City corridor with some sunshine. And it looks like we'll start off the early part of next week. Here we go, Monday morning, with generally sunny, rain-free conditions, and again, a little bit cooler than what we'll experience on Thursday and Friday and Saturday. High temperatures beginning July 4th week in the 80s in DC, Philadelphia, New York City. That's for Monday and Tuesday. We'll focus in on the holiday over the next couple of days. But again, first kind of summer-like stretch of weather here in the Mid-Atlantic region. High temperatures at or slightly above the 90-degree mark for the next few days, going right into the weekend. And could be some shower, thunderstorm activity to talk about late Friday, Friday night, and Saturday. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.